This video will introduce you to Accelerus Web, your school's reporting program. Accelerus is used by teachers to record students' results and by your Accelerus administrator to print students' reports. This video will show you how to log in, navigate around the result windows, change your password, and log out. Accelerus Web can be used with common web browsers such as Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Enter the Accelerus Web address provided to you by your Accelerus administrator. Teachers must log in to Accelerus Web with a username and password. Once logged in, the home page shows all of your classes and comment banks. Clicking on a class opens the class results grid. The screen is broken up into various parts: the menu bar, the toolbar, the information panes, and the status bar. The status bar displays your school's name and the current academic cycle, for example, the year or semester for which you are entering results. Hover over a menu to show the menu options. On the left is a list of the enrolled students, followed by columns for every assessment item. Hover over the column headings to see the assessment item's details. In the information panes below, you will see detailed information about students, assessment items, and results. The student pane includes the students' cohorts and custom properties. As you move around the grid, the assessment item pane shows the assessment item's description, tags, and marking scheme. The marking scheme determines what can be entered as a valid result for the assessment item. For example, you may have a marking scheme that allows you to enter an A, B, C, D, or E. Any result other than an A to E for this assessment item will be invalid. The results pane shows a summary of the entered results. You'll probably find it easiest to enter your non-comment results in the results grid and switch to the single student view to enter your comments. To change to the single student view, either click on a student or click on the single student view icon. In this view, the comment results are shown in the center top panel, comment banks in the center bottom panel, and non-comment results to the right. Notice also the information panes to the left, which show the student details, assessment item details, and results summary. Use the blue up and down arrows to move between students. There are benefits to working with comments in the single student view. These include the use of comment banks, if allowed at your school, and information about how many characters have been entered and the maximum allowed for the comment. You can easily switch back to the results grid by clicking on the results grid icon. You can open a different class at any time by selecting it from the class menu, or return to the home page and select it from there. At any time you can click on Home to return to the home page. Let's go back into the Year 9 English class and enter some results. When you enter a valid result, the cell is coloured green, whereas an invalid result is indicated by a red cell. Invalid results will not be saved. Any valid changes are automatically saved to the database at an interval determined by your school. When an autosave is pending, the message "Pending changes, save now" appears in the menu bar. Instead of waiting for the autosave, you can force a save at any time by clicking on the Save Now icon. Notice invalid results are not saved. If you enter a comment that is too long, you won't be allowed to move off it until you edit the comment to fall within the maximum allowed number of characters. If you inadvertently close your web browser without logging off, an autosave is performed. To continue entering results, you'll need to open the browser, navigate to your school's Accelerus website, and log in again. If you logged into an Accelerus Web session for too long without any activity, you may be automatically logged out. This time period is set by your Accelerus administrator. You can change your Accelerus password from the menu bar. Take care when entering your username and password, as both are case sensitive. If you forget your password, you'll need to contact your Accelerus administrator. To log out, click on your name in the top right corner and select Log Off, or simply close the web browser. To learn more about Accelerus, watch the other videos in this series.